What the f? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me already, my name is DESMACHADO. So today, I wanted to do another Get Ready With Me. Because this time I actually have a lot to chat about, me being the chatty queen I am. And yeah, so if you guys wanna follow me on my spam account, it's REGGIETHEROACH. Basically, it has a lot to do with my YouTube channel. Like, I asked, like, what thumbnail, what video you want me to post, what video you want me to film. It, like, has a lot to do, like, with what I post. So if you guys want to be a part of that, go follow me. Also, go follow me on my main account. It's DESMACHADO. Trying to get to 12K on there. I have 11.3K right now, I think. Hopefully that changes. And lastly, for self-promos, go follow me on DOTE. My username is DESIREEKAY162, and I am having a giveaway right now. It's a giveaway. I'm having a giveaway of this backpack, so we can be #backpacks twinsies. And also, you can win. It's like a red tube top from Tilly's. It's really cute. I want to get it. Just follow me, DESIREEKAY162. I also have polls on there, and then I have like little not albums. They're like, what are they? They're like favorites lists of like things I like. Huh? Then get up. What a bum.
Good morning.
It's 11:44. Bitch! So I asked you guys what I should talk about, and I actually got comments. So, yeah! Somebody said to talk about my love life. Okay, so I have this drawer full of face products, and I forgot I had half of them. Like, I was watching this girl, Mariela Gonzalez. I was watching her, I think it was like a makeup tutorial or whatever, and then she used the Stay Matte powder, and I was like, damn, like, why did I never get that? Like, I wish I had that. And I looked in my drawer, and I have it. I don't even remember getting this. Come on now, sister. I'm gonna try to use... Girl. Try to use all new products, like, things I haven't used in, like, 5 months, 6 months. So it's a challenge. I'm gonna try things out because I really want to. I haven't tried most of the stuff I have out, which sounds really bad, but I was like I'm like a makeup collector, but not anymore. But like I used to be. Like, the thing I have is the Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot Instant Perfecting Powder Primer. I actually remember the day I got this. I think I was with Alyssa, Isaiah, and Carla. Looks pretty interesting. It doesn't really feel like silicone-y. It feels like kind of sticky. It doesn't really feel like the Professional. I thought it would, but not really. So, let's talk about my love life. I currently am in possession of a BF. I don't know if I really actually want to talk about this like on my YouTube channel.
What?
With about like 70K people on here.
What?
Also, thank you for 70K. I love y'all. I
love y'all.
Actually, shut up. Okay, so using the Wet n Wild photo focus. I haven't used this in kind of a long time. I have it in soft beige because I know a lot of people ask me. Wait, Lexus. Ow, can you go wet my beauty blender, please? Got the booty blender. Oh, also, if you guys want to know where my shirt's from, it's from Ross. I got it last night. We went at like 10. And I've never really found anything I really liked at Ross. I think I've gotten like a pair of pants there before. But I actually found some cute things. I found some overalls. I found this shirt, which I think is really cute. Like, if you want to like wear it. Like, I wore it under my overalls, and it was cute. A lot of people say Ross is for the broke boys, but it actually has some really cute things. I'm not putting foundation all over my face. I'm only putting it on my forehead because sister's not having a good day here in this area of my face. On the first day of school, I'm probably only going to be wearing foundation on my forehead. Sad case. I forgot I had this. About like 70K.
Bruh, I was literally holding
also,
it in my
thank
hand.
you for 70K.
Am I that slow?
I've never. I love y'all. The Milk Makeup Blur Stick. Do you guys remember when that was like hella hyped? Out of all the foundations I've ever gotten, there was only, I think, 2 or 3 that I really liked. I like don't feel weird on my skin. Like, I feel comfortable in them. I really like this one. I really like the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir. I remember I wore this to a quince, and it was like really good. And I like the It Cosmetics CC Cream, and I like the Infallible. So if you guys have any, like, if you guys want to get any type of new foundation, I recommend any of those. You're gonna use the Stay Matte powder. Okay, so my love life is definitely real. Is this a bronzer brush? Whatever. So his name is, oh, I shouldn't have done that yet. I didn't even do concealer. So I used a Wet n Wild one because this is the first one I saw. I've used this in so long, but it reminds me. I'm only gonna put it right there. That's like the only place I ever put concealer, because that's the only place I really want to brighten up. So my BF's name, my mom knows, so don't go try to snitch. BF's name is Renato. Or Wella. He's a cool gal. I mean, not gal. He's a guy. Probably won't make an appearance on my channel for quite a while. Neither of us are ready for that. We've been dating since November of 2017. So it's gonna be a year and like a few months. Like, I think August, September, October, November, 3 months. Yeah, it's a pretty fun time. That's all I have to say about that. What made you get into skincare? What made me get into skincare was because, so when I was in like 6th grade, my sister was in 8th grade, and she started like getting like acne, I guess. It wasn't really that bad until her freshman year, I think. And that's when I was like, whoa, like I'm not trying to get all that, so.
Now look at you.
I know. I was like, whoa, I'm not trying to get all that. So then, like, I asked my mom for a face wash. I think she got me like a Dollar Tree face wash. It was like orange, and it was like an acne wash. Pretty sure it didn't do anything. But then I got this, like, it was like an orange deep clean one. I think they still sell it. I always see it at Target, so I'm pretty sure they still sell it. But I used that one for like 2 years. And then in 7th grade, I think was when I started getting a lot into skincare. Like, I got exfoliators, masks, all that little jazzy stuff. Didn't want to get acne, but look where I am now. Advice on procrastination in school. I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't really that much of a procrastinator. Like, if I knew that it was gonna be due and if I knew that it needed to be done, I would do it. Do it at a time that I know it's gonna be ready. Like, I'm not gonna do it at the last minute if I know it's not gonna be finished. Like, I'm not a bad procrastinator. I'm not like, I don't know. I talk about school. Everybody keeps asking me what school I'm going to, and I'm obviously, like, people that are going to the school know what school I'm going to. But if you do, would you kindly not comment, because there's crazy people out there. Finna pull out the hula. I remember found out what hula was through Summer McKean. Bless her. A lot of people keep asking me like how I feel about school. Am I scared? Am I nervous? Honestly, I'm not really. It's just like school. I feel like there's nothing special to it. It's just school. Everybody's really overhyping school. It's just school, sis. It's never that serious. If anything, I'm excited for it to be over so that it could be next summer and the next summer and then I'll graduate. No, I'm guessing ew. Sis. I'm guessing I'm excited to be serving some looks. Just kidding. JK. This looks so bad. Why is this brush so weird? I don't know. Girl. Whatever, I'm gonna keep it. Somebody said boy drama. I don't really have boy drama because boys at my school, I mean, they're not mature, but they're not like they're not like about everybody. Like, everybody pretty much does their own thing at my school except for those hating females. I like to be bothered by what I do. That's pretty unfortunate, but music you're into right now. Okay. So I'm usually like the type of person that has like multiple different like genres of music that I like. Like, I like pretty much everything except for like that weird like punk rock type stuff. My friends Devin and Jalissa, shout out to y'all. Really into people like Tyler the Creator, Kali Uchis. They're like into like Kuko, all of that. I guess like hanging out with them a lot and like being with them so much, it like made me into that music more. Like, I've always been into that music, but I've also been into rap. I've been into like sad songs, you know? I've been into sad songs, R&B, all that. But hanging out with them made me like love like indie, chill, like music. I'm into a lot of people. Like, what is it, Fellow Mellow? what's his name? Omar Apollo. I love him. His music. Thoughts on high school. Thoughts on high school are it's just high school. It's never that serious. I'm gonna go get the education and dip. Big things that happened in middle school. Let me see. I got suspended twice over both some stupid things. I lost a lot of friends. Like almost everybody in my past videos that I've made videos with, I'm most likely not friends with them, not close with them, drifted. This is my inspiration. Okay, I have a lot of inspirations. They're not only YouTubers, but they're just people I look up to in general. I love Victoria Loops. Danny Duncan isn't an inspiration, but I love him and he makes me like wanna create better content. Yes, it's an inspiration. I don't know, I love Zendaya. She's really like strong and I think she's really hardworking. She's hella pretty. Somebody said, why don't I ever talk about guys? I don't know, my life doesn't revolve around guys. I know a lot of people who literally go crazy over guys, and those people used to be my friends. Sad case. And let me just say, I will never in my life ever be worried about a guy more than myself. I'm not that type of person. I care about me more than anybody else. Sorry if that sounds selfish, but that's how it should be. I love myself. So that's why I don't talk about guys. I don't worry about guys. I don't even worry about my own boyfriend. Like obviously I worry about him. He's like important, I guess. But I'm never gonna be sitting here like crying about a guy. Tips for making money. I make all my money. Okay, so I make all my money from sponsorships and YouTube, getting my coins. Okay, so when I didn't do YouTube though, or I still did YouTube, but it was before I made money. I got money from my mom because my mom's a photographer and she like pays me and my sister Nicole to edit her pictures, to just like if we go to her photo shoots, help by like holding up a reflector or something, then she'll pay me. Or just going there like helping her, holding her bag, you know, stuff like that. I don't really know anything besides that. That's the only way I got money. I used to like tutor this kid. I only did it like 2 times, but I got paid 20 bucks. I remember my mom's friend, she paid me to move, like to help her move her things because she was moving houses. So I don't know, like little things like that. If you know someone's moving, you can offer. Yeah, when it comes to making money, like as a teen, like 14, 15, 13, I don't really know what to tell you because I make money off YouTube. What do you think YouTube has turned into? This is a really good question because honestly, never mind, I can't do my eyebrows because she wants to take my stuff.
Girl, I didn't take it.
Why are you lying?
My own.
Stop lying.
My own.
Stop lying.
What?
Stop lying.
Girl,
Okay,
shut
so I
up.
think, girl, you shut up. Was I supposed to hurt my feelings?
Ew.
So guess I'm only
Sorry.
using eyebrow gel. She can't just get her own eyebrow brush.
Shut the fuck up.
You shut up. What are you so mad for? Alexis, take a nap. I think YouTube has turned into, like, I remember I used to do it, like, it was, like, really fun. I don't know if I'm really in the position to be talking about this, but because I'm, like, such a small YouTuber, like, there's so many other people that have way different opinions from me. I feel like YouTube has turned into more like a competition. I feel like everybody's, like, fighting to like get to the top spot, be the #1 trending. People will literally like squeeze lemon in their eyes to get views. Sis, like I used to do it for fun. It used to be like before I even made money, before I even knew that YouTube resulted into making money, before I even had 100 subscribers, it was just so fun to me. Like I thought it was the coolest thing ever. I literally spent like an hour editing a video just to get 15 views, and it was like the funnest thing in the world to me. Like I didn't care about views, I didn't care about money, I didn't care about clout, I didn't care about nothing. I still don't care about it now, but obviously numbers do matter. Like in this 2018 world of day of time, views do matter. Not views, but like numbers. Like if you have this amount of subscribers, then you're considered higher than someone who has this amount of subscribers. I'm gonna be honest, I hate when people say they like look up to me, like I'm like their inspiration. Well, I think inspiration is okay, but looking up to me, I'm really not somebody you should be looking up to. I didn't do anything inspirational. I didn't do anything like motivational. Somebody said what you look for in a boy. Okay. What I look for in a boy is I really like smart people. I like smart guys. I love dimples, colored eyes, braces, freckles, any of that. Count me in. I don't like guys with like little hair, like if you know what that means. Like, I don't like guys with just, like, short hair. Like, it doesn't have to be long, but it doesn't have to be, like, bald, you know? I don't like white boys. Sorry, sisters or brothers. Sorry, brothers. I don't like white boys. I don't know, I like Mexicans, Peruvians. I don't really have like a type, I guess. Like I just meet who I meet, and if I like them, then I like them. I found myself liking a lot of Mexicans, so I'm gonna use the Essence/Princess. I haven't used this in so long. I said Tanacon. I feel like that's kind of over. I watched Shane Dawson's, I watched Shane's like little documentary on it. It was really good. Honestly, I think it was that boy Michael's fault. Don't like him. Like I said, don't like white boys. I don't really have that much of an opinion on it. I didn't go. I'm not the one who got sunburned. I'm not the one who went through all of that, so it's not really like important to me. Somebody said unpopular opinions. An unpopular opinion I have is that Haley Morales is not interesting to me. I don't find her interesting. I don't find her entertaining. And I'm gonna need y'all to stop commenting saying I'm trying to be Haley Morales. I look like Haley Morales. Okay, I'm not trying to be, nor do I want to be Haley Morales. Somebody said people at school. I don't know if you're like, you want me to like explain people at my school. People at my school are very conceited, all about themselves. They literally steal each other's mans. Like if you look at a guy, he has probably dated like 5 different girls in one friend group. Like they're all friends and they've all dated the same boy. I don't understand how you could ever. Very basic, very no type of personality, annoying, type that want attention but don't get it. So then the guys are kind of all about drugs and smoking, so that's cool too. So yeah, that's the people at my school. Don't care for any of them. Not really friends with any of them either. Somebody said how you feel about the YouTube community. I kind of already talked about this. I just feel really like bored now. I feel like everybody does the same video. Everybody copies each other, which I wouldn't say copying. I think everybody gets inspiration, but then it ends up like copying, you know? I'm not really feeling this type of wave. I hope like this whole little phase gets out and like everybody starts being creative again. Trends and challenges you just like. Oh my god, the In My Feelings challenge. Can y'all stop doing that? It wasn't a good challenge to begin with. It wasn't even that good of a song. Sorry Drake, love you, but I only like 3 songs from the album, and In My Feelings was not one of them. So if you guys were gonna pick a song to blow up like that, it could have been like That's How You Feel, Blue Tint, could have been Emotionless. Like I don't know. This shirt is so cute. Ross really did something. This is, where's my stuff from? Okay, so I switched phones with my 7. Y'all could so tell the difference. It's trash. It's like cracked hella right here, right there, and then the light is like giving it a weird glare. So okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of what I got from this place. Everything will be in the description box because I don't remember the website like off the top of my brain. This website is actually so cool. It has a bunch of like designer things for cheap. First thing I got was this Louis Vuitton X Supreme case. I don't remember any of the prices, but like I said, everything will be in the description box. Okay, so it's just this red Gucci shirt. It has like these people on it. They're like holding luggage, and it looks really vintage to me. Like you could just tuck it into like some mom jeans. That's kind of what I was thinking. It's really cute. It's a size small. Another one of those t-shirts, but it's just in orange. I kind of like this one a little bit better. It reminds me of like just like these like vintage like painting like moral type things. I think they look like old to me, so that's what makes like it look cool. Clothing item I got is also Gucci, and it's red. It's just this shirt of Donald Duck. Love this guy. Don't know what I was thinking when I was on this website. I kind of regret getting this, but I mean it's whatever. And then it has Gucci on the back, but it's in these like cool little, it looks like Roman type thing. So the last thing, y'all, a lot of y'all might think they're like really ugly, but I think they're so cool and like different, like the colors. So they look like this. I'm trying to hold them so they don't fall out. Y'all are gonna think they're so ugly, but I love them. I think they remind me of like Nike shoes. They're just so cute. Like I already laced them. They fit me perfectly. I don't know, like I've never seen shoes like this, so I thought they were really cool. I was with the little Chanel bag that you can put them in. If y'all want to go cop any designer things, if y'all want to cop any Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, Dior, like any of those little designer things, and go in the description box, click the link. Yeah, I'm dipping out of here. Hope y'all enjoyed this little get ready with me. Try to do these kind of a lot so that I can like catch up with y'all, so you guys can like, so I'm not going ghost, you know. You guys, in my next video. Peace.